Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress password inside PHPMyAdmin. So let's log in into PHPMyAdmin. If you're running WordPress on localhost, just type in localhost/PHPMyAdmin in your browser. And if you're on an actual live server, then just log in into your cPanel, and from there in the section databases you can select PHPMyAdmin. So first, what we want to do is select the database from the list on the left. In my case, it's this website database. And now we want to open this wp/users table. Yeah, as we can see, I have one user. His username is admin, password, login name, and email. Yeah, what we want to do, we want to click on edit and find the user pass field. Yeah, and just type the new password here. So let's put mine is staff. But what we wanna do is we wanna encrypt this with MD5 encryption. So it won't be saved as Stefan in the database, but it will be converted encrypted. So let's try logging with that information. So username admin, password Stefan. And we're in.